Okay, hi everyone, I especially greet you. In this video I want to teach you how to use gainers, the gainers coins under derivative on Bybit or whichever exchange you want to trade, and also in combination with your RSI, relative strength index, to make decision for a short or sell trade. So this video is to guide you on how to use gainer coin, okay, in combination with your RSI indicator. Okay, so gainers, as you can see, you can find it here under home. You will see gainers right here. Okay, so the meaning of these gainers, they are coins that are currently doing well, and as you can see, they are all in green. So that is the meaning of the gainers. Are you getting it now? So you can always come to Bybit under home and identify gainer here and identify the most traded coin at the moment. So the one that is currently doing well on Bybit is Alpaca, as at the time I'm doing this video. Okay, how can I take advantage of this for my trading decision? Okay, so I will just open the Alpaca, and immediately I open, so I will check how the trade is going, and remember, I want to make use of RSI indicator to also check my decision. So I will go to 1 hour time frame. So once I am in 1 hour time frame, I haven't set my RSI indicator. I'm going to check my RSI 14, which is this, so to identify what number it is. So if the number I'm seeing here is above 70 and the current number I'm seeing here is 86, so RSI 14 has got to 86, and as you can also see, RSI 7 is currently around 94. Okay, and why RSI 21 is 80. So the meaning of these indicators here, it's showing that the current state of Alpaca is in overbought region. Okay, is currently in overbought region, so there is high tendency that Alpaca will eventually start coming down. There must be a retracement, because this number that is showing 80 something, it has to also return before there will be a potential moving to the up position. I hope you are getting me. So your first thing, you need to check the trending app and the trending coin, which is the gainer. And after you have checked the coin, so you use your RSI indicator to check the number. So if the number is above 70, so is a sign that you should prepare to sell. Okay, anything from 70 and above is actually in overbought region. Okay, so that coin will start selling any moment from that point. And then now we have it as a 86. So this is a good place to enter a sell trade at the moment, and I just did that. Okay, so if you check my trade, I've entered here. Okay, so there is a little retracement, and they have a very strong assurance that is going to return back, because RSI will always tell you, okay, this point is oversold, this point is overbought region. So the current state of Alpaca right now is what is overbought region. Okay, so he has no option than to sell. So I've positioned for a sell trade. Okay, so how do you place a sell trade? You click on sell. Okay, you click on sell right here. When you click on sell, you change this to market order. Okay, after you change, make sure you select the right leverage. If you want to place a sell trade, it is better you use from 2 to 5x. So I want to use 5x, and make sure you calculate your capital. If your capital is $100, for example, you divide your capital by 100 and multiply by 5%. You should use 5% of your capital to trade. Then when you get your 5%, you can multiply your 5% capital by 5, which is a 5x or 2x you want to use, and that is what you are going to put here. And once you have done that, then you can set your take profit points. Then you can click on short. When you click on short, then you confirm. Immediately you confirm, your trade will be executed for you on the go, and you are going to now see something like this. Okay, so I am currently in the trade, and at the moment I am in minus 18%. So, and I know very sure that this is going to end in praise. Okay, all right, so this is a simple way to make use of gainer coin, okay, in combination with your RSI indicator to make trading decision. All right, thank you for watching. Do remember to subscribe to this channel. See you in another video. Thank you.